Hey everybody, it's Lillian. I am so excited to talk to you today. As you can see, I've got a look for you, honey, and we have been trying our best to figure out how to make this hair work. Yes, so we're going to talk about it a little bit. You're going to see me put it on from the front to the back, everything. You're going to see everything. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look with this beautiful hair, please stick around. Oh sis, I know this looks really cute now, but I had to go through a real process. It's the process for me. Anyway, keep on watching. Okay. Got my wig here. I think I'm gonna I need something that's really gonna match. Let's see. I've got this Fit Me 360. Fit Me 360 does pretty well, so let's see here. So I'm going in with that powder and I'm just going all along, not only the hairline, but also the lace. It is a little bit lighter than my complexion, but usually it works out for me. So now I am trying to fix the bra-like straps, those adjustable straps in the back. I use mine on almost the last, it's really the second to last hook right there. I make it really, really tight. But now that I have the wig on, I'm just trying to see where the hairline is going to fall, all of that. And I'm going to have to go around that hairline again because I'm feeling like, okay, that lace is still a little light. So I'm just going around it again. Okay, so now I am using my bed head, that hard head spray. I'm actually going to go in. You'll see me maybe about 3 times. I'll use that, about 3 layers. So you'll see me just going back and forth using that. But I'm already thinking in my head, why is it so light? This transparent lace, you know, I don't know if it's maybe the different companies or what, but this transparent lace is not matching for me at all. So that's something that, you know, if you're a darker person, if your complexion is darker, you may want to rethink it. But I am using my, this is the Silver Bullet, I believe it's called, that blow dryer. And so I'm just going in and trying to make it happen. So keep on watching. I hear thunder, so if it sounds really crazy, my windows are open. Well, the blinds are open, so I hope this works. I think I'm gonna do one more. It's not really raining. I think that's thunder I'm hearing, so. Okay, I had to slow this one down. I had to give this the normal time for this video because I am looking at this like, okay, I don't know what to do now. And this is one of the problems you'll have if you are darker and you're a beginner and you're just a regular person, not a beautician and all of that. I mean, with this lace, it seems really, really light to me. It doesn't look as light in the natural sunlight or whatever, but it's light to me. Whatever I can do to make it better, I am using now the Got To Be on the ends and on the right there by my ear. I always do that kind of by the ear tabs. I use Got To Be and the bed head. I kind of use them both to give me a better adhesion, I guess, if you will. But that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna blow dry that just a little bit. And I'm using I'm using it on the cool setting. It's not hot at all, but that's what I'm doing, just trying to get everything to stay on my head, and then I will go ahead and use an elastic band. Okay, it's finally time. My makeup is finished, and I said, okay, let's go ahead and take off this elastic band, and then wah wah wah. As you can see, it's like not matching at all. So I'm just gonna get a brush, try to blend it a little bit, make it work for me, I guess, right here. And as I can see, okay, this is my foundation brush, not really working the way I want it to work. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with a bronzer. I think I put that earlier in the video to make sure you try to use a bronzer. So I'm just thinking about what I'm going to use, and I'm just grabbing something darker, right? So this is actually Thick Mint. This is that bronzer by Fenty Beauty that a lot of people are saying that they like. So that's what I'm going in with, and at least I'm a little bit happier now. All right, so you can see that it's blending in a little bit better. All right, time to do something with this hair. Let me say this. I really like the HD transparent idea, but it takes so much work to make it work for my skin tone. So, you know, if that's something that you want to think about, yeah, think about that. You're gonna have to work with it. So now that this is all hairsprayed and glued down or whatever, I am going to go in I'm actually using, this is Andy's, wait, that way, Andy's. I'm gonna go down between 15 and 20 because I had it all the way up to 20, but it gets so hot so quick. And so we're just gonna comb away. Okay, so now I am just combing, going really slow, just trying to make sure that I don't burn myself. But I'm just combing that hair and making it straight right at the hairline. To make this work, you gotta use like quite a few baby hairs, just because it is so, now don't get me wrong, the hair is nice, but you gotta work for it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Actually, I'm not messing it. Okay. Okay. I like to use alright, use a little bit here, a little bit here, and I'm gonna go into that got to be, right? It's so few that I don't think that's bad, that it's bad, you know? Just like little swoops. There we go. I'm barely coming out to the hairline. Just a little bit. Alright. That's gonna have to do. I'm gonna try some different things here. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. It's just water. Nothing in it. Okay. I have this Cantu curling cream. Don't use a lot. Only use a little. Ooh. Okay. Get it all in your hands. I didn't really curl. I didn't really run my fingers through the back. So this is what the curl pattern looks like. See that? This is what the curl pattern looks like without running your hands through it, without brushing it. So I think that's really, really beautiful. So I've got this Cantu stuff on my hands, this curling cream. Put some on there. Okay. Whew. What did I do? Didn't bring my brush? That's okay. When it dries, it will be absolutely gorgeous. And I love the natural state of the hair. Without running my fingers through the back, this is the curl pattern. That's the curl pattern of the hair. Just washed and conditioned. See that? So this is going to go really pretty when you put that natural, when you have that natural curl pattern and the hair kind of responds to it a little bit better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so one thing that I will say about this hair, I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. The only thing that I had some trouble with was the fact that the lace is so not my shade, you know? So you've got to do some finessing. You've got to do some going in. I even went as far as to go darker than my skin tone. This was the Studio Fix in 58, NW58. This is a color that I use for bronzer. Like I had to go that dark in order for it to be even close. I'm still working on it. I'm gonna figure it out. Yes, I used a elastic band. I did all that stuff. So I'm going to just keep figuring it out and working it out. If you like this look, I hope that you do. Please let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I like this hair. It works for me, I think. Yeah. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you not watching, I hope you watched, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it. That really starts to push my videos through. Also, when you get a chance, please make sure that you leave a comment down below so I can know if anything that you would like for me to do in the future. Sorry. If anything that you would like to do in the future, I will definitely record it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.